Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. Check this out, 1198S, and it's been done in the Tricolore colours. It has had a wrap done on it, but it's absolutely incredible. It's had a small fortune spent on it, so when the cameraman's going to pan in, we'll try and talk you through a bit. You've got loads of carbon infill panels, carbon key cover, you've got loads of Rizoma bits, Gilles rear sets, the open clutch cover which you've just seen, big 70mm Termi system with the proper ECU on there to make it run right. Just incredible. They come with Ohlins front and rear, the Marchesini forged wheels, carbon hugger, Rizoma indicators, carbon seat cowl. Honestly, a small fortune being spent on this. It is an absolute work of art. If you're into these, they're a mega bike. 1198cc, 8-stage traction control. It's got quick shifter on there. It's got upgraded clutch slave cylinder to make it nice and light on the clutch because they can be a bit heavy. Full MotoGP inspired dash on there like Desmo Sedici. 9912 miles is what it's done, and it's a 2009 on an 09 plate. Full history, belts done last year, so it's all bang up to date, and it is just incredible. It looks fantastic. So it is a replica of a Tricolore race. It looks the absolute part. It is absolutely stunning. Quick action throttle on it, motor graphics kit, and it's carbon front mudguard and fully adjustable Ohlins, as I said. Just an absolute monster of a bike are these. They are absolutely incredible. You don't see many with a 70mm system, so if you are looking, for something along these lines, 1198S is just an absolute beautiful bike. Mega bike to ride, and probably a bit of an appreciating bike as well. There's not many bikes that hold this sort of money and do sort of creep up in value, sort of last the big proper Ducati twins with the dry rattly clutches. So you know what you're looking at, and you know where we are at Jordanbikes. Come down and take a look for yourself. We'll fire it up for you so you can have a listen. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.